Hello traders, welcome to EURFX, your number one online channel for your price action trading. So in this video, we'll be doing market overview on three pairs: EURJPY, EURNZD, and EURUSD. So guys, remember to show some love and support by subscribing to this channel, liking this video, and also hitting on the subscribe button, on the notification bell, so that you don't miss out on future videos. So let's get into it. All right, so I'm on EURJPY and I'm starting from a monthly time frame, and I'll start by marking my highs and lows. So that has been the highest on the monthly time frame, and this has been the lowest on the monthly time frame. So the reason why we do this is to try and get our playground, know where we are and where we are playing about. All right, so let's continue marking. So maybe I can also mark this level here and also this level over here. These are all possible places that the market can reverse, okay, on the monthly time frame. So this is the highest time frame that I start with, okay. Then also this has been the lowest that we have seen, and finally maybe we can mark this level over here. But now remember, we are actually only interested on this particular level over here. So you can see that the market came from up here, right, then came down, then went up, and then now we're expecting this market to come down. All right, so that is what generally on a monthly time frame on EURJPY I am looking for a bearish move. So let's go down further to the weekly time frame, and you can see that it came down, came up, now it's coming down again. So maybe on a weekly time frame also, maybe we can also come here and mark this as being the lowest on the weekly time frame that we've seen. Okay, so let's change that color to maybe that is okay, let's change it so that we don't get confused. Maybe we can use blue. Let's use this color. Right, that's fantastic, because that is what we have seen. So already on the weekly time frame, you can see that it has formed something like a double bottom, and you see double bottom means that the market is going up, so perhaps it's going to go up to find more strength to continue falling, or it might go up and break and continue going up. So let's go down further to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, that is, now this is a place whereby now I can mark my zones. Okay, so already I see this level over here, and as you can see, this zone here, this is a place whereby we've seen the market reversing. So already I can see some touches. I can see a touch here, then a touch here, then a break, then I see another touch here. So this was resistance, then support, then I see a break here, then I see resistance and resistance. So you can see that the market is below at this zone over here, right? And you can also see that you can see now the double bottom that I was talking about was beautifully formed, and that is the reason why we saw that bullish movement to the upside. So what we can do is we can also draw this also as another zone. We can draw this here as a zone, right, and make this into a zone because we are seeing some rejection here and then break, support, support, support and support. So let's take this out. So you can see that now it is becoming more clear based on what we are looking for. Okay, becoming a bit more clear what you're looking for. And then yeah, so you see that this market is actually going up here, right? So perhaps it can complete this and maybe fall down, or it could also come, break, and then find some do a retest and then continue going up. So we are going to go further down to see what we can see. Let's go down to a 4-hour time frame, So from the 4-hour time frame, we can also see that we can maybe draw what I call a mid-range zone. This is a place whereby we see the market tends to reverse or find support at that particular level over there. All right, I don't know if you can draw this or this, or maybe what you can do before we do that, what I can see, I see something like Eurjpy does form something like this, then consolidates on the upside, maybe to continue going up. All right, so this looks to me like a consolidation. Right, so we don't know if it's going to consolidate to move up or it's going to consolidate and fall down. Yeah, so we are going to take away this quickly. So let's go down further to the 1-hour time frame and see. So on the 1-hour time frame, I see this here. Let me draw that here because I don't know if that is a rising wedge or what is this market trying to do. So I'm going to clone that and then put it over here. Okay, because we are seeing a consolidation on the upwards. Okay, so you see that the market came, now it's consolidating on this particular level, so perhaps it might go up or it can consolidate and then come back down. So we don't know what this market is going to do. So what am I going to do? If this market breaks this level and finds some retest, and then perhaps then I might be interested with some sells. And the reason why I'm saying that is because if I draw at this level here, you can see that this market came up to this particular point here. Let me draw that. So what you can see here is, let me take away this first of all, maybe this, let's take away that and that. All right, so from the 1-hour time frame, there's something interesting here, because you can see that this level here acted as a support, then it was broken, and now is acting as a resistance. Then now we see that there is a consolidation on that particular place. So we don't know if this market has broken, then it's trying to find strength to move to the upwards. And then already, if I zoom in this one, you can already see that there is a very strong, bullish momentum to the upside. So what will I do? I can easily put my buy here, because if I go to the daily time frame, all right, let me show you something here quickly. If I go to the daily time frame, let's delete this so that it's clean at least. If I go to the daily time frame, I've noticed something. This market came from down, then it came up here, just come down again. So I'm expecting this market to do what? To complete that, to the upside. That's why I said that I'll be more interested in what? In buys more than in what? In sells. Okay, so let me go back to the 1-hour time frame, then mark this place again. Okay, there's something that I deleted here by mistake. Let's see, let's mark that quickly. I think it was here. This level here. Yeah, that's what I deleted by mistake. Let's see to the 4-hour time frame. You can see that, yes, that is a level. Broken. Right, great. So you can see that, yeah, this is the level I was talking about. Okay, so resistance, then let me mark this level here and show you something. I want to mark that level over there because it has also acted as some sort of support. You see support here, you see rejection here, it's close to that zone. All right, so great. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame And as I was saying, so what I'll do, okay, fantastic, let's remove that. So what I'll do here is, then you see that I'll be interested in buys, then maybe I'll put my stop loss just below there, and then I will target this level over here. So you can see that you can catch 2 times. So this is risking 1% of your 1% of your capital to make 2 times of your capital, right? So already on Eurjpy, I am seeing a possible bullish movement up to this particular level over here. Let's go to our second pair, which is EURNZD. So EURNZD, and as usual, I like starting from a monthly time frame, which is my highest time frame, but I can know the movement of the market, right? I know the movement. So EURNZD, this has been the highest and this has been the lowest. Okay, this has been the lowest, right? Okay, then also I'm seeing some level here, right? You can see this rejection here, and then this support. Then also I would also like to mark this particular level, because so even though it gave some fake outs, it went all the way to this level before it fell. Okay, beautiful. Now let's continue and see what is happening. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see if there's anything we can see over there. Now on the weekly time frame, something interesting I'm seeing here is this. Okay, I'm seeing something like a bearish flag. And what do I mean by that? Because I'm seeing something here. This market was moving, was coming from up there, coming down. Okay, then it consolidated to the upside. Now I'm seeing a break. This looks like a retest for me before it continues what? Falling. Okay, so I want to adjust this a little bit, maybe somewhere around there, to cater for all the positions. And you can see that this is quite a move, because from here to here it's almost 380 pips. So from the weekly time frame, I see a break, a break, and something like a retest maybe for this market too. So if this is not a fake out, then this market will come here before it falls. But if it's a fake out, then it just come and continue going up. But already I see a break, and this looks like a retest to me. Let me go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, what do I see here? So it's the same thing here. So we saw consolidation. Okay, so we saw this consolidation here, okay, to the upside. All right, let me mark this properly. So we saw that movement. Okay, then so we saw every time the market reached here, it was pushed up, some fake out, and now we see a break and that movement over there. All right, so this market will easily fall, all the way to that particular level over there. All right, so let's get into it. Let's go down further, the 4-hour time frame, and see if there's something this market has for us here. And it's quite interesting, because there's a level here that this market has not been able to break. Okay. Right, let's mark that. That's level there. And also if I clone that, then you see another level also somewhere around there, somewhere down there. Okay, yeah, and you can see that it's almost close to this particular level over here. Maybe I can increase this a bit. Let me first of all go to the daily time frame and see if this is a level Okay, yeah, because we see that the market came to reverse somewhere around here. The market had some support here, and then see support to the upside, support, came all the way here and went up. So sort of like a zone here. You can see because you see support here, this is a fake out, and then you see a break and a retest, and it has formed almost something like a double top. So on EURNZD, if I go to the 4-hour time frame, then I can also come and mark here as the lowest place. Okay, let's make that into a zone like that, right? Then now you can see that you can take advantage of this move, which is almost 160 pips. So what will I do here? Here you see that I'll be interested in sales. Put my stop loss just above there. Then I will go for 2 times. Okay, a 2.22 RR there. So you can see that. So in case this market goes, in case this market goes all the way, then maybe comes back, or goes, breaks, retests, and goes up, then it means that our setup is invalid. But as at now, I am looking for selling opportunities on this EURNZD, and I can see also it has formed you can see that also it has formed something like a double top, so perhaps it's gonna fall, right? Fantastic. Let's go to our last pair, which is EURUSD. So EURUSD, start from the monthly time frame, okay, and then as we continue going down further, right? So from the monthly time frame, I'll mark my highest, okay, then also I'll mark my lowest on the monthly time frame. Then already you can see that EURUSD is actually on a what? On a bearish trend. It's going down. Okay, let's carry on. Let's go to there. Maybe you can mark another level here. Mark this. Let me mark this, the most recent one. You can mark that, and also you can mark this. Okay, so this becomes your playground because it came all the way down here. It came all the way down here, pushed up, came here, pushed to this level, has come down, perhaps it's going to finish, and you can see it's forming something like an M formation. So that is also another thing. And then also another confirmation is that we are looking for sales, is that you see that this has formed to me what looks like a double top. Okay, beautiful. Let's go down further to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can still see the double top that has led to this movement to the downside. Okay, so what I'll do here on the weekly time frame also, I think I would like to also add another level here, because we saw change this color again. We saw EURUSD coming here and reversing. We've not seen it since 21st of September 2020 and 22nd of November 2020. It has not been able to break that level over there. Okay, yeah, and you can see the M formation that I was talking about. It's what it has formed. Let me go to the daily time frame and see. So on the daily time frame, already you can see that there is a bearish movement. Okay, see as a bearish movement to the downside. Okay, yeah, see a bearish movement. See the market came, is trying to, but it's consolidating, moving to the down. Okay, so let me draw my zone here. That's one place there. and we can even extend this further, and you can see that the market came all the way here, went back here. Now it has formed. Now what you are seeing here is sorry for that. What I'm seeing here is a double bottom. I'm actually seeing a double bottom, and I can also mark this level over here, because I see every time the market touched, I'm on a daily time frame. You can see that whenever the market came and touched here, it was pushed down, came again, it was pushed down, came again, it was pushed down. So that becomes a very strong area of reversal for me. Okay, so what am I looking for? And already you can see it came all the way to the level here. Then it's like trying to find some retest, trying to do a retest before it goes. So I'm already on the zone here. So what can happen is that this market could easily go down. I mean, it can continue doing, maybe it's preparing to come and break this, okay, or it might break and come down. So those are all possibilities. Remember, we are not the market makers. We only give possibilities based on what we are seeing. All right. Then also maybe we can also mark this level over here, because we see support, break, then that. See, it still leads us to this particular zone over there. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, can still do a trend line here, because you can see that the market was using this place as a what? As a playground. Every time the market comes to that place, it gets reversed. So remember, we do all these things to try and get more and more confirmations, right? Try to get more and more confirmations so that the market does not find us on the wrong side. So you can see here rejection. Let me change the color so that you're not confused. So you see here, see some rejection here, and then you see a break and support, then a break and some sort of retest in that. All right. So what am I doing here? What am I looking for here? I'm looking for buying opportunities. Okay, put my stop loss somewhere around there. Take my first profit over there, then my overall profit on the zone here. So I'm sure we can get almost a 4.9 RR. That means risking 1% of our capital to make almost 5 times our capital. What can make this market invalid is if it comes down, touches our stop loss, finds retest, and continue going down. All right, let me go to the 1-hour time frame and see. Let's delete this first. Okay, let's delete that. What if you're also looking for more confirmations? What you can do is you can draw this like this. All right, because what I'm seeing here is that this market came from down but reached here, got rejected, a lot of rejection, came again, got rejected. So if you want more confirmation on buys, what you can do is that you can wait for this market to break, maybe you do some retest before you go buy, because also here, if you look keenly, you can see some level of zone, because you see here the market found strength to move up, then here it has found strength to move up. So because based on that, let me delete this so that you can be able to see it clearly. Or what you can notice here is this level here on the 1-hour time frame, the market could easily, see this one, could easily come here and continue going down. That's why I'm saying that if you need a more confirmation of the buys, then wait for a break and a retest before you can do what? Before you can look for your buying opportunities. That is what I will do personally, and then based on that, I can be able to catch this move of around 90 pips, or general move of around almost 150 pips. And as you can see, this market is trying to break, so I'll wait for it to break this level here, because I'm seeing that the last time that it came from here, it was not able to break. So I'll wait for it to break, okay, and then break and retest before I enter my buys to target this zone over there. So that is me to you, what I'm seeing, my general overview on those three pairs. Remember to like and subscribe. Remember to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we post a new videos. And see you guys on the next video. This is Eagle Eye FX signing out.